In this tutorial, we're going to learn about data joining. Data joining is a very common requirement in any data analysis. You may need to join data from multiple sources or join data from different tables in a single source. Tableau provides the feature to join the table by using the data pane. We are using a data source, tennis players. Here we have two simple tables. Let's view these by the data pane. In the first table, age, we have 3 tennis players and their ages. In the second table, we have 3 tennis players and their titles. Please note that these two tables have different player names in the last row. In the first table, age, we have Roger Federer, and in the second table, titles table, we have Pete Sampras. Let's join these two tables now. For this, first drag the table to the data pane. Let's take age table. Then double click on the age table. This is where your traditional sequence joins are hidden. Now I'll drag my titles table. It creates an inner join by default. When we click on this Venn diagram, it allows us to choose which type of join we want to create. We already know that these two tables have one column in common, that is the tennis players. This column will serve as a key when we put together the information from both tables. We have 4 join types to choose from. Let's take the first one, inner join. When we use the inner join, we'll have the common records from both the tables. These two players are common in both the tables. So all the data related to these two players is visible when we use the inner join. In left join, it includes all the records from the left table. Left table literally means the left table, which is age table in this case. So it will take all the record from the age table, all the 3 players from the age table, and those records from the titles table which has a match with the age table. Like these two players have a match. So the data of these two players will be visible. So it will exclude the third row of the titles table because it doesn't have a match with the age table. And in the titles table, there is no data related to the third player, Roger Federer. So it will be represented as null. Now the right join. Right join is same thing but in the opposite direction. So we'll have every record from the titles table and that record from the age table which has a match with the titles table. So the third player from the age table, which was Roger Federer, will not be visible here because it doesn't match with the titles table. And for the third player in the titles table, Pete Sampras, the value will be null in these columns because there is no value in the age table for Pete Sampras. And the final option is full join. That's gonna include all record from both the tables. So you will get every record from the age table and every record from the titles table. You can see the values which are not there in the age table, they are represented as null, and the values which is not there in the titles table are also represented as null because the titles table doesn't have any information about Roger Federer and the age table doesn't have any information about Pete Sampras. Also, Tableau automatically grays out some types of joins which it finds irrelevant on the basis of data present in the data source. That's all for data joins. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.